Hi, I'm Dr. Matthew Zademan, DC here at North Florida Spine and Wellness. What I want to do for all you guys, as many of you know, we are offering antibody tests to the COVID-19 infection that will tell you if you had previously been infected and have antibodies against it. So what I want to do is give you guys a brief update. We do have some new tests that we can do now. I think they're a lot more accurate than other tests that have been on the market. So I want to tell you about that, and then also give you some answers to some commonly asked questions. The first test we're doing is we're still doing the rapid test, antibody test. That will test for IgG, which is past infection, and IgM antibodies, which is for a current infection. So both of those will be tested in that test. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes for those results to come back, and we can do it right in the office. So that's a very quick, easy test to do. Of course, the downfall of any rapid test is that it's going to be a little bit less accurate. So it's a little less sensitive, which means we'll get definitely some more false negatives. But overall, we're still looking at around 95-96% accuracy according to the manufacturer. The other test we're offering, which I'm really excited about, is a antibody test, which is only testing for IgG. It is for past infection, and it's manufactured by Abbott Labs, which that might sound familiar. That is a company that has produced a lot of rapid tests for the government during this epidemic. And then what we do is we send it to the University of Washington, their virology lab. They process the blood draw sample, and that has over 1,000 tests. The lab has independently verified that they've only had one false positive test at over 1,000 tests. So this makes it over 99% accurate, definitely the most accurate test I've seen out there. And so we are doing that as well. So that requires a full blood draw that we do here in the office as well. Now, of course, some people are looking at this. Is this a way we can kind of get people back to work? So if you're an employer, if you want to, interested in testing some of your employees, we are offering that as well. We can even arrange blood draws at your office if that's something you're interested in. Now, I know there's been a lot of questions people have been asking. There's concern about some of these antibody tests, and it's true. There is some unknown thing, so I want everyone to really know what these tests mean. So what does a positive test mean? If you're IgG positive, that means your body has produced antibodies against the COVID-19 virus. Does that mean you'll be immune? We don't know for sure. Most health experts do believe we will get immunity by having IgG antibodies, but we don't know for how long. So it could last a lifetime, it could last 6 months. We don't really know how long that protection is going to last for. The other thing that we're unaware of is there a cross reactivity? So in other words, we do know there's older coronaviruses. Are they going to react with these tests as well? Well, that is technically possible. However, especially the Abbott test has been tested with confirmed samples in old coronaviruses, and they have not cross-reacted as of yet. So we have no evidence that that is happening. Another common question is, what does sensitivity mean? What does specificity mean as far as accuracy? That's how we measure how accurate a lab test is. Sensitivity means how likely are we going to get a test that is not a false negative. So if a test is 99% sensitive, it means there's only a 1% chance of a false negative, okay? If a test is 99% specific, it means there's only a 1% chance of a false positive, okay? So when you're looking at these different tests, that's a way to kind of differentiate the accuracy of that. So what we're doing is we are signing up people for appointments to do blood draws to get results on these antibody testing. You can go to our website, healthytallahassee.com, and click on our testing link, and we go through all of these frequently asked questions as well as all the data on each test that we're offering. And our prices are listed on our website as well. So if you'd like to make an appointment, give us a call at 850-877-6790, and we'll get you tested.